Good day, lovely viewers, and you are welcome to Susan Media. It's Sylvia Newton here. We are at Tano River in Tanoso, a town in the Tano North Municipal, Ahafo region of Ghana. The Tano River is a river in Ghana which flows from a town called Traa, a suburb of Techiman, the capital of Bono East Region of Ghana, to Ehy Lagoon, Tendo Lagoon, and finally Aby Lagoon in Ivory Coast, where it enters the Atlantic Ocean. Tano, whose true name is Traa, is the god of war and strife in Aka mythology, and god of thunder and lightning in Asante mythology. Tra's animalistic symbols are baboons, fish, crocodiles, elephants, and goats, so he can turn to any of them. Traa is a war deity, as he uses military tactics to defeat his enemies, which is evident in Aka military ideology of adaptation. Traa has a twin brother called Bia of the Ehy River, and the younger brothers namely Osomtwe, Ananse, and Apo. According to oral tradition concerning the Asante-German War of 1818, Asantehene Nana Osei-Bonsu sought out the help of Traa to defeat the German king Kwadwo. Traa requested for a special gun called Kodiawuo to be crafted, and he told the Asantehene that the war with Kwadwo will be fought for 7 days. And on the 7th day, Asantehene will see 4 stars representing Traa and his 3 sons, who will go to German. Traa and his sons turned themselves into little boys by allowing the unsuspecting palace guard to take them to the palace of Kwadwo. It is believed that Traa and his sons killed all those in the palace, with Traa shooting Kwadwo using Kodiawuo, and then Traa and his sons vanished. As a result of Tra's divine intervention, the Asantes became victorious after the war. Also, 3 pastors of the Christian faith went out to challenge the powers of Tano deity by killing and eating the mad fishes in the Tano River. Traa, greatly angered, killed all 3 pastors. I met an old man by the river who had come to wash his clothes. I asked him about the mystery of the river, and he confirmed it is true. The old man also said that most of the old people who lived before him did not tell them the history of what happened in Ghana.
You try and see any kakra. Number 2, And I'm one pound or young. So I don't read about it. I had your money young. Hey, I didn't hear. No, how your money? Okay. Because most are not wumpa. Now, I said, most of that time in some betray not meaning some mere galam say, now, not mention any tantan time. Then I saw sense you before. Oh.
Last year, I'm going to be a man, so that focus is your more from Jay. It's a massacre. This will be Uncle come.
Oh. I make me trust your habits here. Because no one said it's a normal the quack. Yes, old bar, not a yiri. Oh, bar almost one a yiri. Aye. Oh. I got me a class, Abba.
From Techiman Traa in the Bono East Region, Tano flows through Kuntunso and Danso Tanoso. Tano enters Ashanti Region through the Mankran Forest Reserve into the Bono and Ahafo regional border through towns like Akwasia and Yaobafo, Yaumensa, and through here at Tanoso in the Tano North Municipal, Ahafo region of Ghana. From here, it continues to flow along the Bono and Ahafo regional border through the Esukese Forest Reserve to Ntotroso and passes between Hwidim and Echirensua towns into the Desri Forest Reserve. Tano continues to flow in the Ahafo region between Anuem and Kwame Juma Sreso in the Ashanti region to Tano Odumase, where it enters the Western North region between the Tano Sushiem Forest Reserve and Tano Surau Forest Reserve to Tanoso in the Seshwiwioso Municipal. Tano continues to flow between Nsarura and Anuko Krom to the Western region of Ghana. In the Western region, it flows behind Odanuem, Wasadunkwa, and crosses Patunsu in the Western North region and Western regional border. Tano continues flowing in the Tano Nimri Forest Reserve, passes through Samre Boy Town, finally to Ivory Coast, serving as the international boundary between Ghana and Ivory Coast, by flowing through Elubo in Ghana and No in Ivory Coast. Tano flows along the Ghana-Ivory Coast border to Ehy Lagoon, Tendo Lagoon, and flows at the outskirts of Newtown in the Western region, where it joins the Atlantic Ocean.
Denchem. Not all them. Sir. Anopano. Aha. Hey. You call boys be was here ho. Omo was here ho. Aha. Hey. Aha. Come on, some fish womb, papa. I also be crying in them. I mean, Jina, I say, I also more happy. I no more, Papa. Oh. Not that whole. Say they didn't know. The jamba trophy Tano so how. Eja Tano so aha move baby na ba ha na. Tano so kro na nkasa no.
Sir. That question you him na. Genjapo.
Aha.
Na ko question na ya ba ha.
Okay.
Ye na odi ani mu.
Aha.
No,
Bafakwa. Okay.
Na otutu no ye ha. They could just another 2 3 na onko odi betensi ho. They could be free
Bye. Nano kwa na sem muti nyina wodwukwa. Kwa. I see. Na say money fear pray. Odumasi number 1. Na wa fie. I see. Pachai. Ya da na da sifa. I mean sharp. Ya caught a abesin. That's Nana. Number chef,
Francis.
About your friend Isaac. Patch there be me free at the end. I just saw that the end. Now, yes, history now who says, sooner a hooper. And say, I ain't 70. Come at it, what kind of Faka no more? I say football team on friend Tano of Faka. Yeah, Mamransa. I say, Panana. Let me that's a pan. The master can't.
Giving you a Uncle
Matana, and I'm sharp on your cases until condemn. Amen. But Anna, let me show.
origin. Man said Tanoso people are the Traa people from Jukwa, but migrated during the fall of the Traa kingdom. He also said the early people died with their oral tradition being handed to them and left them little of knowledge. If you like this video, share to others. Make your suggestions known in the comment section. See you in the next video. Bye.